Okay, got some residue on the plate, but I don't know if I care right now, so I'm just gonna keep going with that same color. And we'll use another stencil. So, the same blue. Here's my stencil I'm gonna use. And let's figure out where we're gonna put it. You know what? I'm going to put it on this page we just printed. And then the other one, will maybe go on this, because that's kind of the same colorway. Yeah. Okay. Always thinking about the 2 prints that I get out of every stencil and paint application. Okay, stencil down. Oops, I kind of put that one in a funny place, but you know what? I'm just going to make some pattern in the bottom, just so that it's not totally empty. Okay, that's fun. Take the stencil up and we'll print it on this blue one. Oh, I like this a lot. That'll be great for something. I even like the way you can kind of see some of the prior flower prints in there. It just shows up as a little bit of texture. And then we have some residue, which is totally fine. Let's see what we want to pick that up with. So taking those out of the scene, let's go with this pink again, or slightly different pink. I'm going to go with this dark pink here. Yeah, that'll be good. That will be good. We're just going to do a pickup print. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, I like this color combo. It's good. Oh, I can see all the Breyers lines though. Shoot. Too heavy-handed on that one with the Breyer. But, you know, I don't know. Collage or overprint. We'll see. Nothing's wasted. I essentially just print and print and print until it's not printable anymore. And if it gets to that case, then sometimes it ends up as Breyer roll-off pages too. So, you know, you do what you got to do. Okay, so I have this one stencil left here that I want to try. This one is the same as the one that had the little funny edge, or the funny petal here. But everything looks good here, so we shouldn't have that same problem. But I want to try it with, let's see. Green is a weird color for a flower, or I would use that. You know what? I think I'm just going to go with the same blue. Same blue. My Breyer's already dirty, and my palette knife is already in there, so I'm going to use that one. It's a great color, though. Alright, so let's figure out where it's going first. This would be great. Color combo. Interesting. Let's do that for the first print. And then the second print. That one's tougher. I think I'll just go with this blue page. Yeah. Okay. Roll her out. Mix it up. Stencil down. Shit, I wanted to do, excuse my language. Yeah, let's just go with this. What the heck? Okay, well, I don't know if I'm thrilled with that, but that's okay. It's an experiment. I do like this texture though. I'm gonna have to try that again. And we'll just put this one on top of the blue here. Yeah, this is a really great texture. This kind of just gets lost. I think I would need a different flower stencil, like something that's a lot more solid. This is nice though, although the colors are pretty similar. But you know what? It's a good print. It's a good stencil. I'm happy with that. So, okay, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to clean this off with another color. Let's go with the, really like this green gray color here too. It's not so great for flowers though. I'm going to use that just to pick up this one. And then I'll show you what we got. Try to have a light touch. Light touch. Get rid of those sprayer lines. Okay, good enough. Let's go with the clean paper. Okay, this one feels cool. I think there's a lot of paint on there, so I'm going to let that sit for a minute while I do some cleanup. Okay, let's see what we got here. So make a great background to overprint. I do really like this color combination, but it's kind of dark. But you can also see that they picked up some of the texture from the last print in the blue. Let's just get that, show you. So I started with this print that was this green color on white, but it's totally dry. And then I printed this over top, as you saw. But the green paint has actually resisted some of the blue paint, which is shown up here in a few little speckles or spots, which is kind of cool. I like that gel printing is kind of reacting to what's on the plate and what has been on the plate before. So that's cool.